A lot of you came across this particular platform and don't know how it works and the current benefits of this particular platform. Now, this is a stock trading platform, but currently I'm starting with completing of a video tax right on this platform to earn some commission for yourself. So right here, when you go ahead, you can see that available video tax. Now, these are only available to TikTok users. You can see right here, TikTok video challenge. Create a short video about stock trading tips. Recommend Vivstock as platform for trading. Use a trading background sound. Post in the evening. Show Vivstock logo in the video. Hashtag Vivstock, hashtag trading, hashtag stock. So these are what they actually want you to do for you to get the commission for this tax. Now, once you're done with this, you can go ahead to paste your video link right here. You can see where it says paste your video link right here. You can go ahead to view sample of this video to get proper understanding. Now, back to the benefit of this particular platform and how you can leverage more. Like I said earlier, this is actually a stock trading platform where you can actually trade and you can get some commissions for yourself. Now, most times on this platform, you are likely to have a bot, to activate a bot to do this for you, so you don't have to stress yourself knowing how to trade. So this is actually beginner friendly for anyone who wishes to actually start trading. So you can also tag this video as how to start trading as a beginner. Now, before we proceed with this video and showing you some benefits on how you can start leveraging this platform, please do well to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can always notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you're about to watch as we proceed in this video. So right now, once you have created your account, creation of your account is actually very simple. Just click the first link on the pinned comment section and you're going to be putting in your details. So go ahead to create your account. So right here on this platform also, you can actually get commission of monthly salary, but that is at the long run of this video. So right now, to start leveraging this platform, all you have to do right here is to first of all fund your account, because for you to start trading on a platform, you need to fund your account. Now, when you come down to deposit right here, you can see that the minimum right here to start trading is $10. So once you come right here, you're going to be inputting the amount you want to use to fund your account. Let's say we're actually going with the $10 as the minimum. I'll come down right here to select the time frame. I suggest you go with the 13 weeks. So right here, you can go ahead to click on proceed. So once you click on proceed, you can see right here your account can be funded with a crypto and also with a bank account. So I will recommend you go with the bank account. So once you click on bank account right here, you are going to be brought where you can actually copy this account number and transfer the exact funds for your trading. Now, one thing you should note is that on this particular platform, there is what is called activation of the bot. So you should be finding that when you want to activate your account. I made a video about that on how you can activate the bot to start trading for you. So let's say we are actually following this process. So let me show if this can actually come up. So click on proceed. So come right here. So right here, the reason why you're not seeing the options of activating a bot is because I'm already activated my bot. Okay, so I'm going to be posting a screenshot attached to this video so you can see the option to activate a bot, which is about $1.5. so you can use that to activate a bot. Now, once you activate the bot on your account, it will do the whole work for you as in trading right on this platform. So all you just have to do is to always come into your account and place withdrawal on your account. Now, to place withdrawal after all this, all you just need to do is to come down to withdraw right here. You can see we have the profit balance, which is the balance you have gotten from your trading. Now you can see commission balance right here. This commission balance is actually the balance I got from my referrals. Okay, so right now, if you want to go ahead to withdraw this, just come down to where you can see the commission balance, click on that. Now you can see that the minimum withdrawal is actually $1 and I have $2 on my account, so I'm going to click on 2 right here. So you can see that I'll be getting about 3,200 to my Naira bank account. So I'm going to click on proceed right here. So it's going to ask me to choose where I want to withdraw to. So I would advise you always go with the bank. So once you click on bank, it's going to display an option for you to put in your bank details. So right here, you're going to be selecting your bank name. So let me say I'm selecting this particular one, which is the access, and I'm going to put in my account number right here. So I'm going to come down right here to put in my account name. So once I'm done with that, I'm just going to place the withdrawal. So I'm done inputting my account name. So right here you can see under transaction summary, the amount is $2. Transaction fee is actually $0.50. Total amount is 1.50, which is about 2,400 naira bank transfer. So I'm going to click on withdraw. So right here you can see, are you sure you want to send $2 to your bank account? So you can see that I'm withdrawing 2 naira. So I'm going to click on confirm withdrawal. So you can see withdrawal request was successful. So this is actually pending. So if you're part of those in my community, I'll be posting the withdrawal proof attached on that particular channel. Now that is how to place withdrawal on your account. So when you head back to your account, you can actually see that the withdrawal was successful. You can see that it was successful and completed. You can also go further to check the dates this withdrawal was made. That is today, and I got it the same day. So that is to show you how the withdrawal method works very swift on this platform. Now another thing I want you to know about this platform is that there are so many other things you can do right on this platform. Okay, so right here I just found out that you can actually see the trading bot right here. So you can see that my trading bot is actually active. So this is actually the trading bot. You can see that trades matter with Vivstock trading bot. So while activating your account after funding, make sure your trading bot is activated, so the trading bot can do the whole work for you. So you can see that right here. Now the benefits you can also have right here is to come down to this monthly salary. So once you click on monthly salary right here and you come down to view salary ladder, so you can see right here that once you start using this platform and you take advantage of the referral base, you are going to be seeing some commissions you are going to be getting every single month. Okay, so once you go ahead to invite this amount of referrals, you can see the monthly salary that is attached to it. So that is how you can leverage this platform. And so you can actually also do your due diligence before you go into it. Okay, so to copy your affiliate link right here, you can see that right here, referral link. Go ahead to copy that and share with your friends. So when you invite individuals, you are also getting some commissions right for yourself. So this is actually a stock trading platform where you don't actually start trading only by yourself, but also with the assistance of a bot. Okay, so that is how simple this platform works. You can start leveraging right now and start accumulating some rewards for yourself. And so thank you for watching this video to this point. I hope you got value from it, and if you did, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can always notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. So it is always advisable you join my social media platform, my Telegram channel, my WhatsApp group, where I won't give giveaways and also show you some specific ways you can use to also leverage online platforms in today's world. So see you on my next video and keep winning.